Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today the topic we are going to discuss that is about the thumb sucking. You must be aware of it that this could be the problem of every other house. Why their child is sucking thumb, and thumb sucking is a habit of a child, and he is taking this habit as an activity, and he is placing his thumb in his mouth and he is sucking as if he is feeling pleasure with it. But first of all, we need to see it what sucking is. Sucking is the oral satisfaction while they are keeping something in their mouth and they are sucking it as it's a nutritive sucking. For example, if the children are the toddlers or the babies or infants, they are sucking milk bottle, that is the nutritive sucking. And if they are sucking the thumb or sucking the teether, that is the non-nutritive sucking. So we need to make a clear difference between the nutritive sucking and the non-nutritive sucking. So the nutritive sucking is that sucking which is provided with some sort of the food, with some sort of the vitamins, with some sort of meal or drinking things. That is the nutritive sucking, and that is very helpful for the growth of a child. But whenever we are speaking about the non-nutritive sucking could be thumb, it could be finger, it could be any object around, like if they are sucking rattle, that is the non-nutritive sucking. And if they are sucking some other toy, that is also known as the non-nutritive sucking. But the most common thing among the children is known as that they develop the habit of thumb sucking. Why they suck the thumbs? Why they are doing it? They are doing it because they are lacking something mentally and physically. Because we cannot say that if they are lacking something physically, then they suck thumb. If they are lacking and facing it difficult, that their food and the nutrition is not according to their requirement, then they can suck the thumb. If they are lacking some vitamins and the minerals, then they can suck the thumbs. And if their mind is not relaxed, then they can also suck their thumbs. And this is basically, you must have known about the oral fixation, when the center of attention is the mouth. And this will be lasting from 2 to 4 years of the age. When their this stage is not satisfied, then they start sucking their thumbs. This is a natural thing. If a child and a toddler and a children, they are sucking their thumbs. But whenever they reach at the school age, they even then they cannot stop this habit. This would be the very dangerous thing, and this will be developing and leading toward their personality problems, and this could also be leading to their some of their personality deficiencies. Their personality problems may emerge at this stage. But you must have rarely heard and seen the people who adults who suck their thumbs. And I do remember one of my dear class fellow. I have been teasing her on this act that she was grown up and she was big enough, but even then she was started doing the thumb sucking, because if the early childhood experiences are not good enough, the single parent family, and there are some other problems which were being faced by a child in the early childhood experiences. If that was not the positive experiences, then child may develop the thumb sucking. But it looks very much odd to all the viewers and the people around them that thumb sucking is not good habit. Some people say that it's a habit, some people are taking it as an activity, but this is not an activity. This habit is leading towards the bad bad things, because it is not appreciated by their friends and the peer group, and they will be ridiculing, and they start ridicule their friends, and they start mocking their friends. And when they start mocking and ridiculing, then it will also not be very much helpful for their personality growth, and they feel very much uncomfortable for it. So we need to stop this habit. But what we have also discussed, what are the causes of the thumb sucking. For example, if child is not getting listened by the parents, and he is feeling that he is a neglected child and his physical requirements are not fulfilled and his mental requirements are also not up to the mark, and he developed such things in the childhood, and it can linger on till his later years of the life. But this is in the very rare cases. We have hardly seen any adult, any teenager who is sucking the thumbs. The ratio of thumb sucking in the adult is relatively very low as compared to the children. But if whenever the child is growing their permanent teeth, they also need to chew something. That's why they develop this habit. And in the later life, whenever they develop this habit, that is because of their psychological deficiencies and the psychological troubles and the psychological problems. When we look at the remedies of the thumb sucking, it's very easy. They need to have a very good self control, because I do believe in it that whenever someone is adult or someone is mature enough, they can think positively, and they need to have a self control on their this activity and this habit, because some people think it's a bad habit and a bad activity, but we need to understand their mental condition and the mental state at this stage. The second is self actualization. They need to have a very good self actualization, that if they are having any negative activity or habit, they need to stop it. The third one is the behavior therapy, and punishment training and reward training should be given to the children while we are stopping their this bad habit and the bad activity. And if children are having this habit, we need to um, put a wrap or a tissue paper and put a rubber band on their thumb, so they will never be eating the rubber band around the thumb, and they will never be eating the tissue paper around their thumb. And some other gloves should also can be put on the hands of the children, but this is on the part of the children. And punishment and the reward training is also for the children, because we cannot give punishment and reward training to the adults. There will be a different strategy, and that is known as the behavioral therapy, because we need to bring a change in their behavior and the thought process, and we need to focus on their on their thought, what activity they are doing. They need to be focused on it, because all the time they are not doing the thumb sucking. Whenever they are in the spell of the imagination, that spell of the imagination can take them towards the thumb sucking, and they are lost in their imagination. So we need to bring them near and closer to the reality. When they get closer to the reality, they get to know where they are sitting and what they are doing, because unconsciously they are sucking their thumbs and they are feeling pleasure and the satisfaction. This is a sign of the pleasure and a sign of the satisfaction while they are sucking the thumbs. But this pleasure seeking activity is not highly appreciable within any society for the adults. And I hope that you people would be having a very good self control. If you can have a good self control, this will lessen your problems in the later life, and you would be able to control the rest of the bad activities and the bad habits. It's not necessary that every one of you are having the bad activities and the bad habits, but only a single habit can distinguish you from the rest of the people. And I hope that if any one of you are having this habit, you can control this habit, and you can be a very good and a positive person in your life. And if you are lacking some vitamins and the minerals, then you need to choose some uh, tablets and the medicines, like the calcium tablets can be chewed for it as a alternate of some thumb sucking. And you can do some other activity for the adults. Cigarette and the smoking, yeah, can also be very helpful in it. And you can chew some chewing gums, you can chew some medical based calcium type pills. This will be very helpful to leave your this habit, because this is because of the oral fixation that you fixated at the second stage of the personality development by the Sigmund Freud. and they didn't develop in this stage. Well, that's why they develop this habit later in their life. Till the next session, Allah Hafiz.